Hello, and welcome to another video. Okay, so today we're taking a look at the cinematic Beatworks pack that just dropped on Reason Plus. It is based on a Beat Machine Combinator 2 patch that sort of is set up using Beatmap to generate, sparse atmospheric beats. There's 10 different patches at varying BPMs for you to choose from. What I'll do is I'll just play one of them and then we'll go through each section of the combinator and we'll quickly customize it and sculpt it into something different. So here we go. As you can hear, we've got, a rich atmospheric beat that's good for building tension or something, suitable, cinematic, suitable for soundtrack stuff, cinematic stuff, atmospheric stuff in general. So what we'll do, we'll offset this X and Y position here, which should give us a slightly different beat. We'll set it somewhere that's not too busy. It's pretty much the same as where we started, but we can give ourselves a bit of shuffle. And we've got either half time or normal time. I prefer the stretched out feel at half time. That snare is like super busy. That's a bit better. So in sample slot 1 here, we'll turn off these other ones. So we'll focus on that kick drum that's there. Now we can control the pitch of it. We've got a filter in there. We've got the beat density, which will change the likelihood of it triggering. So we'll set this up somewhere so it's slightly different from the original beat. We've got this sort of bleep here. And a big snare. We've got some vinyl noise in this last one, and a little bit of a chord. So we've changed up that beat slightly there. Now we get into our effects section, and we've got, reverb, delay, and a bit of compression. Just alter this delay here and see if we'll get a different flow. And we've got compression and dirt courtesy of Pulverizer. Now we've got our customized beat. What we also have going on, you can turn off the beat generation. So, you're not triggering the beat map and you can just use it as a kit. And they all have a sort of guide BPM, but it's really just a guide. I made the loops at that tempo, but if they work at 85 BPM or 95 BPM or wherever, then it's fine. We'll try this one at 85. Oh, I've turned off the beat generator. We'll turn that back on. That sounds all right. Now, what we can also do is we can just change out these samples, swap them for any old stuff out of the factory bank. I've experimented quite a lot with just various things in here. Effects, noises and whatnot. That could have been quite cool. If a bit too loud, but... a kind of bell tone. So yeah, you can just drag and drop samples into the slots of Mimic there and you'll get a different result. Kind of similar to what went on in the, you know, the soundscape generator where you would just drag and drop samples into Mimic. Same sort of thing. So yeah, that's how you get the beats customized. We'll drag in another beat here and we'll see, just to go over a couple of the different ones that are there. So in the shadows we've got here. Again, lots of tension. Almost sort of espionage feel, or searching or hiding or something. And obviously you can do the same edits on all these patches that you did on the last one. Trying shifting sands. Is that 72 BPM and 85? Let's see where we are. Sounds a bit too fast, that one. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That pack is available now on Reason Plus. Obviously, you need to have an active Reason Plus subscription to get it. I'll put a link in the description. I hope you find some use for it. Okie doke. I'll see you later. Cheers.